know this music. Beethoven's Ninth Symphony, one of the greatest masterpieces ever written, with a big orchestra, soloists, chorus, and an amazing message about brotherhood, bringing people together, that we are all basically the same. But when we play it very soon with the New Bedford Symphony Orchestra, I wanted to make this experience a bit more personal for us, for the New Bedford community. And I thought, how can I do it? And I decided to program, together with Beethoven, a piece by a New Bedford native, Pedro da Silva, who wrote a wonderful concerto for Portuguese guitar and orchestra. He's also going to perform it himself. It's really a beautiful piece. It has some fado music in it. It has some pretty challenging dance music in 7/8, and that is a lot of fun to play as well. And I think that after you hear the concerto for Portuguese guitar and you have this feeling of, okay, this is part of our community, this is part of our music, and come back to the concert hall after the intermission to hear Beethoven Ninth in this mood, with this feeling, I think you will have a very special and personal experience of hearing this amazing work. I hope to see you.